Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Math Today. We are going to be doing Unit 623, story problems, modeling story problems. Let's review some addition. Notation for addition.
Notation for addition. I can use math symbols to show addition. I have two piles of yellow tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 tiles in this group. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tiles in this group. If I put my tiles together, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tiles. 4 tiles plus 3 tiles is 7 tiles. I can use math symbols to show this. 4 plus 3 equals 7. I can also write it like this. 7 equals 4 plus 3. I have 7 tiles. I can arrange my 7 tiles like this. I can see a group of 4 and a group of 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7. I can also see my arrangement of 7 tiles as a group of 6 and a group of 1. 7 equals 6 plus 1. How do you see this arrangement? Sometimes I play games with 2 dot cubes and I need to find the total number of dots. There are 5 dots on one cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 4 dots on the other cube. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can count on from one of the cubes to find the number of dots in all. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 dots in all. I used math symbols to show the total number of dots on these 2 dot cubes. First, I write the number of dots on the first cube, 5. Then I write a plus sign. A plus sign means I am putting together 2 groups.
Or joining.
Then I write a 4 to show the dots on the second cube. How many dots are there in all? I know there are 9 dots in all. I use an equal sign to show that 5 dots plus 4 dots is the same as 9 dots.
The total is
My
9.
equation says 5 plus 4 equals 9. I can also say 9 equals 5 plus 4. When I see numbers in a plus sign, I know it means that 2 groups are being combined or added together. When I see an equal sign, I know I have to figure out the total or the amount that is the same as 3 plus 2. I can think about cubes or tiles or even a story to help me solve 3 plus 2 equals what? Let's see. If I have 3 red cubes plus 2 blue cubes, I get 5 cubes in all. I can use math symbols to show addition.
Try it. Drag tiles into the workspace. Arrange your tiles into groups. Write an addition equation to describe your groups of tiles.
So I might do a story problem like this. I might put 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. And then I will write my equation with 3 plus 2 equals the total when I join them together of 5. Okay, now I'm going to go up here and clear that off. Now, let me go back and do, that was the notation for addition. Now I want to show you the story problem. If I can get my mouse working. Here we go. A story problem about two groups.
A story problem about two groups. Here's a story about pattern blocks. Sarah made a design with pattern blocks. She used 3 yellow hexagons. She also used 4 green triangles. What happened in this story? What do we know about Sarah's design? We know she used yellows and greens. We know she used 3 yellows and 4 greens.
Let's continue over here with the story.
A story problem about two groups. Here's the story.
Okay.
Sarah made a design with pattern blocks. She used 3 yellow hexagons. She also used 4 green triangles. How many pattern blocks did she use? Here are some ways students solved this problem. Ricardo used pattern blocks. I counted 7. Latoya used pattern blocks. I made a design with 3 yellow and 4 green. There are 7. Lisa used her fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dennis counted on. I know she used 3 yellows. Then I counted the greens. 4, 5, 6, 7.
Now, you can create your story problem on here, or you can get your own shapes out, like mine. Let me do it this way. And you can do what they said and make your own story problem. For example, you can say, Miss Brown had 4 trapezoids and she had 4 rhombuses. So what we know is we have 4 red shapes, 4 blue shapes, and we're going to join them together and see what the total is. One way we can do that is by representing the top with 4 fingers and the bottom with 4 fingers, and we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can use our fingers to represent the objects. We can also arrange them and make some kind of a design. I might want to do something like this to make it easier to count. And I can say I can visualize 4 red easily, and I can visualize 4 blue, and I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or I can say, just like the other character did, I can continue counting 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then just simply write the equation. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And then you can do another story problem. You can put some more shapes down and you can say, you can either just separate them and sort and say 2 plus 3 equals, and you can just know that 2 and 3 is 5. You can continue counting and say 3, 4, 5. You can make a really neat arrangement. I just made a rectangle out of 2 squares. So that's 2, and then 3, 4, 5. So what I want you to do today is create your own story problems using shapes and use the strategies of arranging them a certain way, representing the shapes with your fingers, or counting on from the higher number, and add. Have fun with addition.